Welcome back to Shop Talk, our monthly feature where we talk shop. Kelly, what's with the chairs?
I'm waiting in line
For what?
to do a little bit of online shopping, but I wanted the ambiance like it's really Black Friday. Can you tell?
Black Friday. I'm getting all the vibes.
You getting the vibes from this? Okay, good.
Speaking of Black Friday, I thought we would this month talk about the highs and lows of Black Friday.
Ooh, I like that one. Okay, perfect. You go first. What's one of your highs?
You know, I'm sort of a traditionalist. I like things to happen consistently every year. I like a little stability, especially these days when things don't always feel stable. And holidays are really all about that, right? You eat the turkey, put up the tree, you light the candles. And for some families, you go to Kohl's at 5 a.m.
Early.
We're not that family, but if it brings you joy, go for it.
Okay, I like it. Yeah, a little bit of a ritual.
What about you, Kel? What's your high?
My high, you know, those people who are planners. This is their sport, and I am fascinated by the human who has their list, who's been getting their deals thought about since July, stacking away their money, and they know exactly what they're going to do to maximize everything, like you said, from 5 a.m. at Kohl's. This is their time of year, and I'm happy for them. I'm not them, but I'm happy for those humans.
It's joyful.
Yeah. What about the lows?
Lows. All right, this one's a bit of a hot take.
Okay.
Black Friday is a crappy name.
It needs a new brand,
It's
doesn't
time for
it?
a rebrand. It really
Yeah.
is. I mean, we've all heard the stories of where that name came from. Did it start with the cops in Philadelphia in the 50s? Or was it referencing operating in the black? It almost doesn't matter.
It doesn't
it's just
matter.
a bad name in 2022.
It didn't age well,
No.
for sure.
And most days preceded by the word black are days when the stock market crashed, which is almost the opposite of what you want on a day when you want the whole world
You're
to
telling
shop.
everybody to spend all their money and that it might be bad for the economy?
It's very confusing.
It is a little weird. For me, I'm going to say that all of those deals that we all benefit from are at the sacrifice of the retail workers, humans who are working insane hours in stores, warehouses, fulfillment centers for beasts like Amazon. Like, there are some people who are sacrificing their own sanity and health and culture for us to get that one more thing. I think that's pretty sad.
You know, Jeff Bezos heard you say that. He's listening.
Well, he can turn his super yacht around and we can talk about it.
Well, that was this month's Shop Talk. If you liked what you heard, leave us a comment. Otherwise, you can also just smash that subscribe button.
It's probably a cat video over here.